Hello and welcome back to Aliena's Kitchen, where today we are making a delicious Mai Tai punch. This punch is so easy to make and it's so refreshing on a hot day like today. I do want to start off saying that this is my interpretation of a Mai Tai. The first thing I've done is add some ice to my punch bowl because it is really hot outside, and I have some beautiful ice because my mom is a bit of an ice connoisseur. She always makes really beautiful ice molds that I get to use in my videos. So now we can start adding in the actual ingredients. I have 3 cups of pineapple juice, which is going in my punch. I love pineapple juice. It's honestly one of my faves. Ooh. So nice and sweet. Next, I have 1 cup of orange juice and a 4th cup of freshly squeezed lime juice to give a nice little tartness. And now the most important part, the booze. I have 1 cup of triple sec, which is just an orange liqueur, and it smells delicious, so try smelling it, along with 1 cup of white rum. This is a pretty boozy punch, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Next, I have half a cup of spiced rum, or this is golden rum, that's going in, along with a 4th cup of Amaretto. You can use either Orgeat or Amaretto. What you really want is an almond liqueur or an almond syrup. Today I'm using Amaretto, but it's up to you and what you can find. Now I'm just gonna stir this all together, and I actually made a beautiful ice ring today that I'm putting in my punch. So I'm gonna go grab that. Now it's time to carefully flip my ice ring out and put it in my punch. Ooh. Oh, and it's so beautiful. I love the color of it. I have to say, the thing I love about these ice rings is they take a lot of time to melt compared to just putting in a bunch of ice cubes, so it really doesn't water down your drink too much. And the other thing is I love to fill it up with fruit, so as it does melt, you get all these delicious pieces of fruit in your drink. So that's my recommendation on using an ice ring. Now it's time to taste our drink. I also have some cute little ice cubes in my cup, and I'm gonna give her a pour. Ooh, this looks absolutely delicious, and one very important part of a Mai Tai, in my opinion, is having some dark rum on it as the topper. So I'm just going to pour a little rum over the top. Now my favorite part, getting to taste my Mai Tai punch. Ooh, that looks so delicious. That's so tasty, really nice and boozy. This is one of my favorite drinks for summer when you're having a bunch of people over and just getting to enjoy your day. This is so delicious. If you like this drink, please let me know in the comments down below, because it may take me a while, but I promise you I will see it, and I try to respond to everything that I see. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. If you want to see more of my cocktail recipes, my punches, as well as my other Mai Tai recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!